How to connect to Subnautica multiplayer. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you understand why Subnautica doesn't have official multiplayer and what alternatives exist if you still want to play with friends. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the ocean with someone else, this is for you. Why Subnautica has no multiplayer? Subnautica was designed from the ground up as a single player survival game. The developers at Unknown Worlds chose to focus on performance, immersion, and store, which would be much harder to deliver in a multiplayer environment. That's why, even years after release, there's no official multiplayer mode, and it's unlikely one will ever be added to the original game. So, if you open the game and expect to find a co-op or join friend option, you won't. What are the alternatives? Still, the community has worked hard to create unofficial mods that add multiplayer to the game. The most well known is called Nitrox, which modifies the game's files to allow basic co-op play. While it's a creative solution, it's not officially supported, and can cause bugs, crashes, or break with future updates. Also, because it alters the game code, it might be considered a breach of terms of service. Other options. If you want to share the survival experience with friends, you might consider games that are built for multiplayer, like Raft, The Forest, and Grounded. And that's it. That is the honest overview of Subnautica multiplayer, why it's not supported, and what fans have created to fill the gap. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear and direct guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.